This is the question 242 of lead code where we have to find valid anagram. Okay, so given two string s and t, we need to return true if t is an anagram of s. What does this mean? This means that if there is a s string anagram, the number of characters, whatever the character present in this s string, should be equal to the character present in this t string. So if this is the condition, then we called these are the anagram of each others. Otherwise, we need to return false here. Okay. Right now, we can see the example number 2 where rat and car. Here the answer is false because r is present in this r, a present in this string t, but here t is not present in this string t. That's why the output is false. Our major role is to find out or just to check if these two strings are anagram of each other or not. Okay, so for that there will be the two approaches. The first approach is sorting. So what happens if I do sorting? Sorting makes like my element in a sorted order. So if my sorted order of this s is equal to sorted order of my t, then I return true very easily. So the first approach is doing sorting. Okay, so sorting s dot begin, s dot end. Similarly, sort t dot begin, t dot end, and if my s is equal to t, then I have to return. Accepted and submitted. But the problem arises in this question is that we are doing sorting. Okay, and for sorting there's a time complexity, as we all know that time complexity is order of n log n. Okay, we are not using any extra space, so order of 1 is my extra space, but sorting takes order of n log n, and here we are using sorting even my original array, not array, my original string gets manipulated, which I don't want, which is not the right approach to do. So this is a brute force approach, or I can say something not an optimal or a better approach. Okay, the second approach is using unordered map. We can use unordered map here, in which there will be a char comma int. This char is the character of each string, and number of time it is present, that will be your int. Okay, the frequency we can just store the character inside our map, okay, with its frequency. Then when we traverse through the second string, we just deduct or just find that if that specific character is previously present in the map or not. If it is present, then just deduct and it is equal to 0, and we find that if all the frequency variable is 0, then this is the anagram. Let's take an example. If there is an anagram, this is my s. Okay, similarly t is equals to NANGRAM, NAGARAM. Okay, I can do one thing. There is a map, okay, another map. I will find, okay, I will traverse a it is not present inside my map, so I will store it. Okay, so a one time, now n one time present, then again a, if again a two times, then g once, r once, then a already present, incremented to 3, then m one time. So as you can see that I have stored the character and its frequency inside my unordered map. Now I will move to the second string and check one by one, character by character. N if it is present in the inside this map, yes, so its frequency get detected by 0. Okay, A 2, G, yes, it is present, deducted. A deducted to 1, R deducted to 0, A deducted to 0, M 0. As you can see that the second the second the second part of my map present inside the map is 0, or I can say the frequency variable becomes 0, which means that whatever the character present in my this S string is exactly equal to the character present in my T string. That's why these are the anagram and we can return true. This is an approach. Here my complexity will be order of n, and for the space complexity it is also equal to order of n right now. Okay, so for this approach of unordered map, I can do one thing. I will make a unordered, sorry, caps on, unordered map where there is a character int map. Okay, the first condition which I need to check, which is s dot length is not equal to t dot length. If this is the condition, then just return false, no need to check, because characters are not equal. Now for char C, which traverse through S string, map of C, add the frequency. Now that exact same character C traverse through T, then map of C is minus minus. For int, for now we have to traverse, so for auto iterator, map gonna be traverse. If my iterator dot second is not equal to 0, then return false. That means this is not equal to 0, which means that number of characters are uneven or unequal. Otherwise, return true. Let's run this code. Yeah, accepted and submitted. Thanks.